Hello my dears, welcome back to my channel. In today's short pronunciation video I'm going to teach you this vowel sound here. It's oh. So you can see, can't you, that my lips are rounded. My tongue inside my mouth is a little bit dropped. I'm not saying ooh, I'm saying oh. It's a more relaxed sound. There are three main ways that we spell this sound. The first is this one here, double O. This is in words like book, look, good, would. We spell it with the letter U. For example, put, pull, full, bush, and we spell it O-U-L in words like could, couldn't, would, wouldn't. Now, in the caption of this video, just below, I put a link for you for a free guide that will just give you some exercises and some ways that you can practice these sounds on your own. It's my gift for you. It's absolutely free. Go and check that out in the captions, and I'll see you in the next video.